Hi guys, welcome. My name is Yogi and I'm glad you all guys made it here. Let me show you our smart home. Let's get the blinds up. And that's our dog, Odie. So let's like to have some tea or coffee or something else to drink. So let's get to the kitchen. Let me tell you all a little bit about myself. We just moved in about a year ago to Sri Lanka, and we wanted to have a similar home like we had in the US, totally connected. So when I spoke to my architect, he recommended to go with Orange, and we haven't regretted that at all. So in terms of the system that we have installed here, there are a couple of things that are of key importance to us. The first one is user friendliness. So it is very easy to access the system from wherever you are, and easy to operate it from the phone. The second one is also energy savings. We have lights that work with motion sensors, so they come on and off. So it's a significant amount of energy savings that happens. And finally, the ambience and the beauty of this place. I think any house, if you get the lighting right, it looks really nice. And I will just take you all guys around and show you what we have done here, which makes, from my perspective, the house look extremely nice. So when we built this house, we partnered with Mr. Akila Piris of Akila Piris Architecture. At the same time, we asked Orange to join in the design. So Orange was working with us from the very beginning because a fair amount of infrastructure had to go in while the house was being built. So we had a good, strong partnership with Orange and with the architects as we got this going. Now, in terms of the house, as you can see, it's all motion sense, and the lights come up as we go to different parts of the house. So when you get to the staircase, the lights automatically come up, which is also an energy saving feature. So from an energy savings perspective, the key is partnership. So partnership between the architects, the builders, ourselves, and most importantly, Orange. We had Shamal and his team working very closely with us and ensuring that none of the design features were missed as we got involved in this project. It became more and more complex as we went along, but it was done extremely well. And as you can see, the final product is fantastic. So let me take you to our master bedroom. So we had a couple of design features that I think was fantastic. Initially, when it was proposed by Orange, I wasn't so sure it's going to work, but I had to give hats off to Shamal and his team. They pulled this off very well. So we have the wooden bed heads here on the bed, and this is the Orange product. It's like a multi-purpose switch, but it's got everything built in. The fan, the switches, the universal switch, as well as the USB ports. So we don't have the hassle of adapters and chargers and various things that you need every day to charge your stuff. So it's very simple, very neat. And even the headlights are built in. It's all done by Orange. A couple of other things I want to emphasize with the design of this feature here. The first one is anything in this system can be handled by the phone. So wherever you are, which part of the world you are, it can be easily handled. Just to give you an example, my wife and I were traveling in Kenya in February, just before this whole COVID thing broke up, and our maid and the guard had an issue with the lighting system, and I was able to actually get on the system, log in, and be able to fix it whilst we were in Kenya, which is outstanding. So with the automation, there is also ease of use. So you can continue and you can basically do any change you want, even when you're not at home. I can operate my garage doors, I can operate the blinds or anything that is automated. And I actually once again must thank Orange for working with us, on a constant basis and refining it as we go along. Initially, we started off with actually a slightly different product, but we ended up with a little bit more sophisticated product than what we had planned for, and it has worked out very well for us. Just one more cool thing about the Orange switches is this panel here, not the typical switch. These are actually touch sensitive systems as well. So when you have dimming as well, you knock them off and then it sort of dims and shuts it off. The same applies to that one as well. So we have that across most parts of the house, just to give you that ambience and the effect of dimming lights. As you can see, this is our rooftop and the most favorite place in our house. This is where we sort of relax in the evenings and have a drink and invite our friends. We have a pool over there, which is interesting because we also have a slight waterfall over there, as well as the lighting. The lighting is all controlled by the Orange system. The blue lights here for the pool steps. I really would recommend, if anyone is building a house, to partner with Orange from the get-go, not at the end. When you start doing this stuff at the end, then you've got to break and fix and get things done. So I think it's key. The key to success of any project of this nature, also like a smart home, is to make sure you start at the very beginning and partner with your chosen supplier. In our case, it is Orange, and we are very happy with the outcome. So I would thoroughly recommend engaging them day one of the project and moving it along.